I'm heading to see the Commercial Street Bridge, Parkway Bridge, before it's demolished tomorrow. Run down to Summerset. I think it's gonna be shut down. I don't know if it's already shut down. Perimeter for the blast tomorrow. I'm gonna go down and see whether it's still accessible. The overlook with a view. We'll see. Steep downhill here. Squirrel. When I ride my bike down this way, get up to 40 miles an hour really fast. Going down this hill. You can hear the helicopters. Been hearing them all morning from home. There's Summerset. Right there, I can hear the jackhammering and all. We'll see if it's been closed off yet. Demolition is not till tomorrow. Across here. Helicopters monitoring the situation. See if there's a crowd here. It's Monday morning. There you go. Right past this arch. I'm pretty sure this is all gonna be roped off tomorrow. There's a trail I've run many times over there. But let's come here. Alright. There you go. They're ripping out the surface of the old bridge. That's the new bridge over there. You're gonna slide that over. Let's come around this way. I'd be scared operating equipment up here. Pretty freaky. Alright, head back. Helicopter. Head back home. The High Traverse Trail there. Popular mountain bike trail. And Summerset and the Frick. Alright.